Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of the 29th of March to April the 4th. So some of this is going to be done curbside, some of this is going to be done in store, and when we have $1.99 Bounty paper towel, I hope I have your attention. So the first couple deals we're going to be doing curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. For a couple of these deals, you need a receipt, so please ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you get a physical receipt for your IBOTTA. Since I am the queen of the paper, I gotta say that I found this on the app. It's called Smart Kitchen. It's a very big roll and then a smaller roll. Reasonable prices. I'm very interested to see these in store. It's called Smart Kitchen. Also in store, they have this new Snap and Go for $2.49. Excited to get a digital coupon in the future for this product. I know that they have a huge pack of these at Costco, but as a couponer, this is the place that we will be getting one of these. So it's going to be fantastic for your purse for the summer months. Last piece of news before we dive into the deals. Walmart, these Forever Rolls were always like $34. They're down to $29.99. I keep watching it in the app. I'm really hoping that it drops to $5. I don't know, but they've been doing weird stuff with their clearance, especially detergent recently, where it like went to 75 real quick. So who knows? Whenever this goes, I will let you guys know right away, but it's taking a large amount of room. I think the average shopper doesn't really care for this. So I'm really hoping that it drops quickly so we can all get them on the cheap. Okay, the first deal is curbside, and this one we're going to be doing a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So we need these two friends loaded, the 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G products, a 10 back when you spend 40. So for this one, we're going to be grabbing a hodgepodge of paper products that have the spend 45 to earn back 15. You really have to pay attention because there's a lot of Charmin Essential products that look like it should be part of it, but it clearly isn't, which really sucks. Okay, we're also going to grab this little 2-pack of the Bounty paper towels for $5.49, and we have a $1 digital coupon that is attaching to this friend. Unfortunately, for most of these more expensive P&G paper products, there's only one digital coupon, not many like the Charmin Essentials. This one doesn't have a coupon. It's the $8.99 puffs, but it's part of the spend 45 to earn back 15, and it's some paper, and I know a lot of you prefer puffs over Kleenex, so why not throw this into the mix this week? Now we're kind of going to take this in a different avenue just to save a smidge more money. If you can find this $36.99 Gillette Mach 3, it's part of the spend 45 to earn 15. We have a 20 off of one coupon and a 6 off of one store coupon, so it's 26 off of this, and IBOTTA also has a rebate, so it makes it kind of worth it. And I know it's not a paper product, but we're just going to throw this into a mix. Over on IBOTTA, there is $5 back when you purchase this. Double, triple check that you have the rebate, and you have to ask the cashier to process this through a regular register so you get a physical receipt. Just to show you guys, Egg 15 is taken off 3. We have our Gillette coupon, a Charmin coupon, and then the Venus coupon coming off as well. So not bad. That one is a store coupon. The overall total here is $56.96. We have 9 coming off, so we're at $47.96. $21 in manufacturers melting off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $29.84. Credit, debit. Do not use any Walgreens cash, and you're getting back $25 and an additional $5 back from IBOTTA. So it makes your transaction pretty much completely free. So any way you slice the pie, if you can line this one up exactly how I'm describing it, I know that throwing a razor into it is kind of like not the paper thing, but I don't want you guys paying like $52, for paper. This is just a smarter workaround. Okay, the next curbside deal that we have, this one is using Walgreens cash, and anyone can do this deal. Throw 2 of these Scott's toilet paper. This is single ply toilet paper. I arrogantly always thought it was double ply. We have a 2 off of 2 manufacturer and a $1.25 store coupon. Both of those coming off beautifully. We're going to grab 3 of the Walgreens brand paper towels, and then 3 of the Walgreens brand toilet papers, and it has to be these specific ones. We have $1.50 off of each. That's taking $9 off. So that's why we're going with this. If you want to know what it's very similar to, I'm going to say Angel Soft or Sparkle. I think it's probably made in the same factory too, because that paper towel seems identical to Sparkle. Just to show you the magic here, Egg 15 is taking off 4, so that's why it's a little better to do this curbside than in store. $9 with that Walgreens toilet paper coupon. We have $2.50 with the Scott Walgreens coupon and the additional $2 as well. Just to show you guys, it's $40, $15.50 melting off. So if you think that you're going to get back that $10 of Walgreens cash for spending $40, you are only at $24.50 subtracting that $15.50. $2 manufacturer also coming off, so $23.97. If you want to use $20 in Walgreens cash, pay $3.97. Call this a very smart deal. I think it's fantastic. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, this is one I've been eyeing, and I don't know what it is about these single rolls of the ultra quilted single roll of the Walgreens paper towel. This is a larger roll, and it is very impressive. They call it a triple roll, and I think this is I hate when you buy paper towel and it lasts like for one cleanup, but this looks like it'll last a really long time, and it is very, very thick. It looks like there's a good amount of paper in there, so it just excites me for whatever reason. For this basket, we're going to toss in 6 of these paper products. So I thought 4 of these paper towels, and yeah, there's a good amount of paper in there, and then 2 of these toilet papers. So if you think about it, it's $1.75 per unit. So you can use WAG 10 to save an additional $1.05. So you're getting that savings. If you did it in store, it wouldn't come off. So that's why putting in these curbside orders are sometimes really worth it. The overall total, guys, is $10.50 with WAG 10, $1.05 coming off with the tax, $10.02. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay 2 cents, and call this a very good deal. Final deal that I have cooked up for you is actually in store. You have to do this one in store. So these 2 papers are part of 2 different promotions, the 2 = 6 and the 2 = 5. And I'm going to show you the tag in a second. And this is also part of a spend $35 to earn back a $10 register reward. Please ask the cashier if that stupid register reward machine is printing, because I don't want you guys expecting like 3 register rewards, and if nothing's printing, you're up a creek. This is to buy 2 to get back a $3 register reward. We also have a $1 digital coupon. And then for this one, it's the 2 = 5. You're going to grab 4 of these. And the promotion for this is that when you buy 4 of them, you're getting back a $5 register reward. Here it is, guys. And if your store doesn't have the quantities in stock or what have you, don't be shy to ask if they have anything in the back or when is truck day, because they might have 4 of those conveniently for you. Over on Fetch, 5,000 points when you spend 25 on Bounty paper towels. Make sure you have this rebate. Here's the deal. 2 of those bounties at $6.99 for $13.98, and then 4 of them at $5.49 for $21.96. The total is $35.94. Subtracting that 1 digital coupon, you're going to pay $34.94 plus tax, and then you're getting back dollars in register rewards, a 3 and a 5 for the 2 paper deals, plus a $10 register reward for spending $35 on P&G products, and these are part of it. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch app for 5,000 points. The final price point here is $11.94 for the 6 or $1.99 per bounty. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal without a booster, but what a spectacular deal. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.